Yeah, this is the Bluetooth enabled RC circumvent bot. This bot has been controlled by this mobile application app called the Bluetooth RC controller. This mobile application app is used to pair with the HC05 Bluetooth module and pass over the commands given by the user to the HC05 Bluetooth module through via the Arduino Mega 2560. So you can see here the HC05 Bluetooth module. If you observe a red light, the red LED light toggling, so yeah, that is the HC05 Bluetooth module. And in the front view, I have placed two ultrasonic sensors whose process is to detect an object in front of it and to instruct the circuit board. And along with the HC05 Bluetooth module, I have placed a 9-volt LED strip. Even in the bottom, I have placed a 9-volt LED strip. And yeah, this is about the front view. In the top view, I have placed a DC to DC buck converter. This buck converter is used to reduce the current voltage to any value. So the input voltage given from this 12.5 volt DC battery is 12.1 volts is the input voltage, and the output voltage is 11.1. This is because the Arduino Mega performs well in between 7 volts to 12 volts, but the manufacturer says that the 12 volts is a bit not recommended because it might damage the circuit board. So it is better to keep the voltage level below 12 volts. So I have set to 11.1 volts. Okay, so this is about the top view. And yeah, the side view. This is the back view. In the back view also we have placed a 9-volt LED strip and the ultrasonic sensors. This is the side view again. And this is again the front view. Now I will show how to pair the mobile application Bluetooth RC controller to the HC05 Bluetooth module embedded inside this bot. So I will show you this video in a different angle so that you can get a clear cut. Yeah, now you can see a LED light, not LED light, in the screen of the mobile phone. You can see in the application a red color circle has been toggling. This is because it indicates that the mobile application is not been paired with the HC05 Bluetooth module. So in order to pair with it, we go to the settings, we choose the first option, and we pair the HC05 Bluetooth module whose module name is given as test. Now you can see the toggling has been stopped and it has turned to green, which indicates that the pairing between the mobile application and the HC05 module has been successful. Now you can see here the toggling has been stopped and you can see a LED light after some 5 to 6 seconds, which means that it has been paired successfully. Now these are the few options that is available in this mobile application. This is the forward, backward, right, left, the front lamp, and the braking mechanism, the front end and the rear end, and this is the horn, and this is the extra on and extra off. Okay, now I am selecting the forward option, but you can see the bot is not going forward, and even selecting the backward option, the bot is not moving backward also. This is because we have not given the instruction to the Arduino Mega to take the commands from the user and follow it accordingly. So in order to activate the Arduino Mega, we choose the extra on. Okay, some programming has been done so that the Arduino Mega recognizes this extra on option to activate its performance. Okay, now we select this extra on. You can hear a buzzer sound when I select this extra on. Okay, yeah, which means that the Arduino Mega is now connected successfully. Now if I deselect this option, the Arduino Mega has not been activated. Okay, now you can see it has not been activated and not moving left or right. Now if I activate it and try to move left and right, see, the Arduino Mega has been activated, and on the front lamp, the front end lamp, see, the front end and the bottom end is also on, and the back end also, the braking mechanism. When you apply brake on any vehicle, you can see a backside LED or a thing has been activated or on. And finally, this is the horn mechanism. Okay, we have chose the buzzer as the horn. So when I select this, you can see the buzzer has been activated. When I deselected, the buzzer has been off. So we have selected the horn as the buzzer. Okay, now we'll show how the movement goes when I select this option in this angle. So when I want to go back, I choose the backward option. The bot moves backward. When I want to go front, the same thing. Back and right, back and left, you can see, and front, forward, right, this is happening. So we come back to our position. So this is how the command the Arduino Mega takes from the HC05 Bluetooth module from this mobile application. Now let us see how the ultrasonic sensor plays its vital role in this RC circumvent bot. Now as you can see, I have placed my bot in this angle, and and in front of the bot is a wall, and I'm trying to move this bot in front of the wall. So the ultrasonic sensor should activate itself and should avoid the bot in order to touch the wall. Okay, so I'm going forward slowly. You can see a buzzer has been activated, which is instructing the Arduino Mega not to go forward anymore because there is an object in front of you. So again, when I try to give forward option, it's going backward only. So again, see, I'm going forward. There's an object. The Arduino Mega has been sensing from the ultrasonic sensor, and it is instructing not to go forward anymore. Now we will see how the back end will also work. And the back end also the same. Behind it there's a wall, and we're trying to move towards the wall, the bot, and it should sense. The test case is that it should sense there's an object behind it, and it should avoid that object. Okay, now you can see. So this test case is also been passed, stating that behind the bot there is an obstacle, and we shouldn't pass that obstacle. We should avoid that obstacle. It has been instructed from the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino Mega 2560. Now we will talk about the braking mechanism. So I have told before that this option is the braking mechanism. Wait a second, yeah, the second one that you can see, the rear end, that is the braking mechanism. Okay, Now we'll see how this braking mechanism works. Now I'm going forward and I need to apply brakes. See, the Arduino Mega has been instructed that to apply brakes or to halt the bot, since the command from the user is given as to halt it. So you can see the LED strip is also been glowing and the bot is in halt state. Now I remove the brakes and I go backwards and see again I applied the brakes. The bot is in halt state and the LED strip is glowing. So this means that the bot is taking the command successfully from the user and is operating accordingly and passing all the test cases also. Now I off the brakes and go forward and backward. See, the same thing. Now if I want to deactivate the Arduino Mega 2560, as I told before, we again select this extra on and deselect this. Now you can see the Arduino Mega has been deselected and it is not been activated. Now if I give forward backward, the same result has been applied as I have told before. It won't move because the Arduino Mega is been deactivated. So this is about my project, the Bluetooth enabled RC circumvent bot. So thank you guys.